In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight in Microsoft Loop. This simple yet effective technique can help emphasize important information and make your documents stand out. Whether you're organizing your thoughts, collaborating with a team, or simply wanting to bring some vibrancy to your text. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can master highlighting with confidence. First, let's open up your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Loop and press Enter. You'll likely see a few options pop up, but you'll want to click on the official Microsoft Loop link to ensure you're in the right place. Once you're there, you'll notice the clean and intuitive interface that makes Microsoft Loop so user-friendly. Now it's time to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, which is usually at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your Microsoft account details. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to proceed. It's a fairly straightforward process that won't take much of your time. After signing in, you will gain access to the Microsoft Loop homepage. Here, you can explore and familiarize yourself with the various features. But for the purpose of this video, let's focus on how to highlight text. Once you're signed in and ready to go, navigate to a document or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Find the piece of text you wish to highlight. Using your mouse, hold down the left button and drag across the text you want to emphasize. You'll notice that a small formatting menu appears right above or near the selected text. In this menu, look for options related to text formatting. You should see different icons or tabs, but we're specifically focusing on highlighting today. So what you want to do now is scroll down or navigate until you reach Color and Formatting. Within this section, you'll discover various options to customize your text's appearance. Since we want to highlight, pay close attention to the options under Background. Clicking here will give you a range of colors to choose from. Decide on a color that best suits your document's theme or your personal preference, and then click on it. And there you have it. The text you selected should now be highlighted with the color of your choice. Highlighting is not just about making text stand out, it's also about improving readability and ensuring that your critical points don't go unnoticed. By following these straightforward steps, you're now able to utilize the highlighting feature in Microsoft Loop effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you create more engaging, visually appealing documents. Feel free to like, comment, or subscribe for more tips and tricks like these.